Ang layo na ng narating natin na magkasama. At hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Dahil hanggang ngayon, ang sarap pa rin alalahanin sa isip ko kung gaano ako nabighani sa kagandahan mo noong unang beses kitang nakita sa Macau. Hindi ko naiisip na magagawa kong malapitan o makausap ka nun dahil mukha kang artista. Super starstruck ako sa'yo nun. Pero nung nalaman ko na kapangalan mo ang aso kong si Geneva, nawala ang kaba sa dibdib ko. At doon na ako nagsimulang hindi makatulog ng maayos tuwing gabi sa kakaisip sa'yo.
When we first talked to each other, paulit-ulit mong sinasabi sa akin, ang ganda-ganda mo, ang ganda-ganda mo. And of course, na-weirduhan ako sa isip ko, ano ba naman to? Bet niya ba yung lipstick ko? Because growing up naman, walang nagkaka-crush sa akin. So after that moment, di ako makapaniwala sa mga sinasabi mo. But at the same time, medyo I felt kilig na rin kasi na-appreciate mo yung beauty ko.
'Cause baby, you're my constant, constant. Darling, you're my constant, constant. It's an unpredictable life on my own, yeah.
Nung una kinatutuwa ko, ano,
Surrounded by many, but still feel
bago ka ikasal,
that's when you told me
may baby ka na. Yun ang isang bagay na talagang kontra ako
I'm
sa'yo.
always coming back to the one I call home. Yeah, yeah, you're the only constant thing in my world, When there's no one left.
Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba ako magpakasal?
Dapat makaganyan din ako eh.
Kaso hindi pwede kasi kailangan ako yung...
Ikaw yung nakabest eh. Oh.
Kailangan pogi ako.
Stand the test of time. 'Cause baby, you're my constant, constant. Darling, you're my constant, constant.
I'll be your constant.
You're my constant. Darling, you're my constant, constant.
Mami baby, wag po kayong mag-alala. Safe po si Jan sa akin. At gagawin ko po ang lahat, maging buhay ko man po ang kapalit, mapantayan ko lang ang binigay ninyong pag-aalaga at pagmamahal sa kanya.
My dearest Ian, after 5 years of being together, we are finally getting married today.
In Romans 15 verse 7 says, accept one another, just as Christ accepted you. Secondly, in building strong relationship, you need attention. If I define love, T-I-M-E, time.
I love you so much.
Kahit hindi mo sabihin, dama ko yun. Damdam ko yun.
Para sa kayo na mami, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Salamat po kung wala kayo ni mami. Wala ako.
Thank you, thank you.
Mami, salamat sa lahat. Sorry kung... kung yung mga... pagkukulang ako or... Sorry. Mahal ko po kayo, mami.
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo.
Mommy, kung hindi dahil sa lahat ng hard work niya ni Daddy, I owe everything to you, Mom and Dad. Mommy, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming years pa dito sa mundo. Napakaswerte ko kasi today, on my wedding day, meron akong mommy.
They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. My They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. I got a lot to say.
Asahan natin na dadating to. We anticipate that storms and challenges will come into our life and marriage. But as long as we have Christ, we will not give up. Si Kristo ang ating pag-asa.
Hindi ko mapapromise ang perfect life with me, but I'm sure God will give us problems to challenge us. But today, I vow in front of everyone na I will walk with you in this life. Kahit anong pagsubok pang dumating sa buhay natin, alam kong kakayanin natin as long as we keep God as the center of our relationship.
I heard you stayed the night and spent the day outside, running wild, reconciled with
Daddy, sayang hindi mo nakilala si Ian. Sayang. But I know God has reasons kung bakit kinailangan kanyang kunin agad. Thank you for everything, Dad, and we missed you so much.
I wanna close my eyes again. I wanna see you smile. I wanna close my eyes again. I wanna see you smile. I wanna see you smile.
Jen, with all my heart, I pledge to stand by you, cherish you, and love you unconditionally, today and always. I love you habang buhay.
See you smile.